So, good morning, good morning, good morning, good evening, good night to you all whenever you get the chance or get the opportunity to watch this little vloggy. This is a real thing. I don't know, so me not hide nothing, me not have a thing I hide. Yep, all grays. Me start gray early, you know. I started graying like, I think before I was 40, me start grape right at the front. But me do some steaming out, couple times steaming out, so maybe this weekend, me go relax my ear and sometime in the next week, me color it. But look here, I'm not ashamed. Are you gray? Do you have grays? Anybody watching, are you ashamed of your grays? Me not ashamed of them at all. I'm not ashamed. No, darling, I'm 53 years, me upon the earth here, and I've been through a whole lot. These are like some milestones. But, and you know, you have some people that are even my age and older, and they don't even have one gray. But, that is why we must learn to accept who we are, accept the journey of life that we are on, and try to make the very best of it. You know, some years ago when I was about, I wasn't even 30 yet, maybe 29. Yeah, 29 going 30. I used to live somewhere, and this gentleman had a shop, and he would have fresh bread every morning. The bread van would come early, so when you want a fresh loaf of bread like any given morning, I could always go there. And I went to the shop, and Mr. Tim said, I said, Mr. Tom, that wasn't his name, you know, but I said, Mr. Tom, boy, life, you know. And him said, Miss, he was a real elderly man. Him said, life is what you make it. And you know, a few years back now, I start to understand what I say. Because when I tell me, say, life is what you make it. At that age, I did not get it. But now I get it. So listen to me. It is Tuesday. It's a beautiful morning outside. The sun is shining bright. The weather is nice. A little breeze blowing. But guess what? I not have no water. My water went from about 11:30, about 12 last night. Because I was sitting up to leave to do some clothes. Because my tell you say, I have to try and get it in at the early morning. It went and it didn't come back until about 15-20 minutes ago. Come trickling down. That cannot watch nothing. So I forgot catch some water in a container for do dishes and something. But we have some little ketchup or we catch up so camera girl could I get for have her bath. I want to listen to that because I didn't have my bath as yet. But irrespective of that, it's another day. I'm giving thanks. Look what I'm there. Yes, I'm there. I sit down in a chair. I make me flip the camera. And I am on YouTube. Yep. Down there, so. Yeah, me up on YouTube. Make me zoom in here for you, make you see it. You know I see it though? Down underneath this, so. There comes them. So them come give me change my box. So underneath the chaka, I have upgraded my internet speed. So them claim that white sitting there with a light there, and so they call them just like how them leave it from Sunday. So it did it. Me not take it on. It is worse. It's rather worse. So me just leave it. Them I will come deal with it. Is either them give me back what I did have, or change it, because they have up the money somewhere. I uploaded, yes, the Cyril, that's proportion Cyril video, 9 minutes and some seconds, and that video took me 2 hours to upload on this upgraded internet speed. It never take me that long. A 2 hour it would take me like a video anytime, anywhere between 18 minutes to 20 minutes. That was the time I would use. 2 hours or a little less than 2 hours. Now you have upgraded the speed from what 25 sitting to 60, and now 9 minutes video. Parry, come on. It is taking 2 hours to upload. Some of us have it there, wait upon them. My son's supposed to get in touch with them and all of that. So look here. Me, so me go tie the house and straighten up on something, but guess what? Blessed and highly favored that she a Gaddy. I'm craving something today. Guess what I crave? I'm craving fish tea. I crave escovitch fish. festival and Bami. So guess what? One girl I go town. You know? But I don't want to go too early because I go get a March drugstore. I go get the wash out remedy. I go get the stuff when I go use to make the wash out and I go show them I come back. So, so you know, it's another day. I'm giving thanks. I take it easy. I say the camera must be lean. I don't know I try, so I'm not going to bash me. I don't remember the name of the person, but before that vlog get over, I'm going to search and tell you the name. Somebody on the channel say, you know, say I feel like at home. I think it's on the last video that we uploaded. I feel like my dad, my friend yard, and I eat some food. I feel like I come look for my friend, and I eat some food. Look here, kudos to who said that I'm going to look for the name, and I go ball out her name. As someone want to feel real, I want to feel loved. I'm a party, me a par. This is not no vlog, no YouTube vlog. This is like your sister a par. Some want to feel when I open up the camera and show them a stove. I feel for showing you in and I look up what you call it, the scrap metal fridge. One idea me I go show you. But want to feel loved, feel at home is a real thing. It's not the scripts and prim and proper. I suffer with life go to Jamaica. I am not in the people, I don't live up in the hills. I may not have it made like that. But maybe one day, and all when if me get it made so, me I still Debbie. Same piece of all panka Debbie. So look here now, let me show you the story of the money this year where I go got town. Watch this, me a flip the camera. So look here now. And this is the little can in Jamaica we call it can. So this is one of the $1,000. So how this a manly. So me have 1, 2, it look like me have 3 there box cover me rich. And me have one of the 500. Yeah, let me show you now. That's a nanny. And this is one of the 100. You see how the 100 almost look like the 1,000. So now if you know we don't come down here and change out to the money and I spend enough. You know what we're not doing. This is manly. So this is 1,000. You see, say 1,000 in our words. And some right off here. So it's supposed not focusing. Why you're not focusing? Yeah, focus now. 1,000. Yep. So this is 100. You see how them almost look alike. So you need to be careful. Me not have done $5,000 them number. When me get one, me show you. Yeah. Now I've done them one there right now. Yeah. And this is the 50. Right? Okay. This is the 500. Remember I told you? So this is 500. Yep. This is 100 all notes. This is 1,000 and we have the biggest one which is 5, but now go on and down for me find none of them there because I really find them often. And the smallest one is 50. This is the smallest that we have in notes. When me find some of my kinds them on next day me show now. So look here, I have 2, 3, 3, 5, 3, 6, 3, 7 and $200 for my bus fare. So me at that town me want a little fish and a little something. So look here. I go town, I feel feet. I'm craving it. And I go look wash out. That can't buy still enough. I forgot to say I can't scrape up something put with it. So I don't know if I can't take out the camera push, but I carry still. But maybe I go somewhere. You don't know woman all over here want to walk and fat in your eye. Talk it true. Yeah man. So sometimes you walk and fat in your eye and see some little seal, little cheapness. Jamaican sitting like a rare. So if I go anywhere when I look a rare there, and I can pull out the camera and catch a little quick snap, I don't know me with all pleasure me with it. So look here. But don't see me again, you know, more than likely I go town and come back. Cause this place is like a mess. Not stink and dirty if a drunk come down on the house stop in it, but you know the things not, you know, in order. So look here. One girl I go run go town, she go come back. Well the fish them I go buy her from the fish ground. I go to fish ground, the Jamaican people and fresh fish were coming this one, so them I go scale it, take off the roughness and got it to me. So when I come we just have to refine, you know. So I may go look some look cheap. I'll show you when I go use my fish tea. Eh? So we check in back pound. See? Paris. I'm heading for the road. Yeah, see my little drawstring bag. A bus fare in my hand. Hey, and my 2 ear plait them out. I look like my mother now. Honest to God, I just look. I mean, say, Lord, me look like my mommy now. You know, then like a markets, country when you used to live a market and like a tie with a tie there and the two ear plot. When things if your ear tall and they come down. Yes, ma. Me have the little 2 cent in a bosom here. And me have my glasses. Yes, ma. I saw you roll when you're going downtown. You're not dress up and not carry on and not going on with the little corn, because it never enough. So, I'm heading home, girl. I got to me telling you what I got to do. So, I got to put on the coverage now. For ask for the sweet and 19, for cover me while going out, cover me while out there, and cover me while coming back. And not only for me alone, for you if you're leaving, going out on the road. And also to cover the dwelling while we're out. See? So, when you see me again, I'm supposed to come from town. Yeah? Cool. So, Parry, I come back from town. So, I will camera right now, so I don't know what I'm going on. But look here. I have one disappointment. I never get the fish them. They look out. I want the white in them to make the fish tea. That mother want. See? But I never get them because the white in them make some strong fish tea, you know. But when I get it the next time, I'm going to show you. So look here. So I get some nice fresh snapper. And then give me one jack in it. Eat that jack here. But I don't like jack. I dinner fish though, you know. These are dinner fish. Table fish. But I don't like jack. But these are, just as I reach down there, it might come from, just drop from sea with a whole van full light. So, the thing too, they not normally scale, but he must sell $700 a pound. Normally at 800, but you must sell so cheap, him not scale. So, me have to go scale and guts. But me don't mind, me an old timer, yeah? So, me go cook chicken foot soup, see? Me go roll a pot of chicken foot soup, and me go out and go clean my fish them, and me go fry fish out of those. So, me go carry with me. But don't forget, me see them little teaspoon here. You know, good kind of good quality, because the whole of the teaspoon them in the dish drain and me can't find them. Comment if you know nothing about that and if that happen when you have the kids them and them throw the spoon them in the garbage. My cleanser finish. I get one cabbage. I went to get onions. I never have no onion. I want like okra to put in the soup. Yeah. I get one nice piece of pumpkin. I have pumpkin from within, but I don't love leaf. So I want some soup. I just want some soup today. I never get the fish tea. I buy a piece of melon. I'm going to buy ripe banana for camera girl because she loves fruits. She and her father love fruits. So, basically, oh yes, they wash out, man. These are the center pad them, but them center pad they look like they are young. Look here, I'm going to talk to them about, see the center pad, the center pad and it's global. But you don't know Jamaica, we say global style. So, this is the wash out, you know, so. I don't know if you don't want to see me take the wash out there, you know. If you don't want to see the wash out there, comment. I hold the camera, you know. So look here. We are going to see how it go. So look here. I go fresh out. Normally I go school off and bathe. But I just take off them clothes and go outside and clean the fish. Cool off myself and then I go make that one, put all the chicken foot and something for me. So I clean the fish out the door. And I change them clothes here and put the rinse. You know, because the town thing, they always like bathe off and rinse off my clothes. So I just put them out for sun till when I do a load. And then I clean the fish and then I go bathe and then I will sew the back of them. Maybe I show you how I clean my fish from scratch. Because I think you never see me clean fish from scratch. Rough scale guts. I could see it go now. Yeah. Alright, Pari. Dada roll camera still, you know. Chicken foot soup and the rice. I never remember me clean the fish them. I may have them rest them in the freezer to go and keep cool since they were just like fresh and just come from sea. So look here, I put in some fresh garlic in my soup, chicken foot soup. I mean, know say some of y'all watching this, I would really love a cup. You to walk go on with the weather in a year little neck of the woods, but why? Wanna just try all the faith and keep safe, eh? Kinda come down now. When it come down to this, I like putting fresh garlic. You know, I love my soup. You know that already too, from the cooking channel. So I use a lot of garlic. Yep. Me and Dada rub something else. So I put in some of this, some butter. Always put a little butter in my soup. What about you? How do you do it? So when I eat the breakfast from morning, you know, and I like something to treat now. So soup on the rice, yeah. We I give it a couple more stir and make it go and simmer down. And add them something there. And so when you see me back next, you know, camera girl might reach home from school. Maybe not, because she have dancing this evening. She do her extracurricular activities. So she'll come home a little later. So my soup, Dad, I want the camera, Dad, make sure you want make them see, you know. Shoot them up, you know, Dad. Shoot them up. I Pari, interesting days ahead. When the sun start to hear, shoot them up, Dad. Shoot them up. But it not get the body where we want it. So we are give it a little more stir. So when it's ready, we'll make you see. After I eat this, drink this soup here, I go to Fish and Festival. So everybody can get Fish and Festival later on. So that is where we are at. And we see there a little bit, eh? Safari. Evening time now, on the outside today was really hot day. It will be the hottest day so far of 2019 for me. So my outside, I'm on the outside, I'm not sweat. So I do my fish, then on the outside, so just run to the backyard and so. Here in Jamaica, so my half bag of cool there. I'm sitting down right here, so I may take the time and I take a little cool out, and then fry my fish there. The camera girl, I hold the camera now. Now say hi.
Hi guys.
From France school and you just come literally because it's like a stay back for dancing. So I want to take my time and fry the fish them so I don't fry. I just come like a little extra bit in the house. So when you see me, you're supposed to be finished frying and festival for you to see with your eyes. Paris. So I get the fish them all fry off. Nice and pretty. Looking real eatish. Please comment. So guess what happened now? I want to go and do the pickle, but look here. Come on, I gotta show them now. This is what is happening. This is the pressure on my water, Pari. Comment. This is like seriously disgusting. Definitely this is going away again tonight. So I start feel down because I have the kitchen for tidy and we have to go have a shower. And this is what happened last night. As you can see, it's definitely they're gonna be turning after. This is just too much, and we have to pay how much $1,000 a month time for water, you know. So there'll be no water. I try catch some now, see if I can do the dishes. So I'm just gonna end the vlog here, which I'm so sorry. But thank you for staying with me today. I never get to carry you guys go town with me, but one day I'm gonna carry them, man, because when I go buy the stuff then to make the roots. I'm going to carry them, I'm going to sick up. I'm going to buy all of the herbs then, but I can show you some, you know. And the soup wear out and I'm hungry now. So I'm going to make the pickle and then go, you know, the festival you have to eat it warm. Festival, when I call it, not taste good. So at least you see me go and get the fish and I fry them off and I show you. This is what this is my test for now. And the up internet speed when I go with that. But you know what? When I cost life, no cost nothing. So I just have to ride through my storm. You too, ride through your storm. I'm giving thanks because I have little food, because sometimes the food kind of sticky for fine, you know. So I drink some soup and I have them fish there with the water go yes, I know I'm going to make them pick up. So when I do, I try catch up and get some of them big something up there and just do the dishes them. And so I can do some. I never get food in the laundry last night, this morning. And then I look like I go get some, and I know I never do laundry again. So you see, that's a challenge of life. Never have the machine, and the challenge for wash the clothes then by hand. Now the machine is here, the challenge for the water. That's the journey of life, Paris. Stay blessed, stay loved. Make sure you gird up and gear up yourself for what life has to offer. Every day is just a different day, something is new. But me, I learn now for just program myself, you see, to just, you know, whatever comes, I learn to deal with it and deal with it, a smile. So, hope you have liked what you've seen. You see that today. One with the little thing behind the camera, comment. And I don't know, see if you know the way, I'm going to build up on the hopes. But one day, try to stay blessed. Love yourself more. Make sure the day not out. Make sure each day don't out. Laugh, laugh, laugh. Find something to laugh about. Smile. Cock up your foot and laugh. Because let me tell you, life is just a journey. Nobody take it too hard. You know, sometimes we take it too hard. So, once more, hope you have enjoyed what I had to offer today. I don't know if you want to see sometime me I clean up my house. If you want to see, comment. Me show you how Jamaicans clean house. Yeah, if you'd like to see how we do our cleaning, house cleaning. Me personally, comment. Me might can give one day. Me might can make a nice video. Me and camera girl when we are doing big Saturday clean, our spring cleaning. Okay, comment. As we go along, we try to find, you know, as we go along on our life, Jamaican life of living every day, we will try to figure what we can get and show you more and more. As we go, we grow. So, stay blessed as me telling you. Love everybody, love you all. Every single one of you, I love you all. I have no hate. Don't carry any hate inside your heart. It's not good. It doesn't matter who hate you. For them business that. Just love, love, love. Make we use love and kill off hate. No more hate, you know. Just love each other, stay blessed. And the two people that said it was to the prior vlog, it was the green beans that I was talking about. Colors. That's another color for my green bean. You know what happened? I went inside there with this internet thing when the people came, and I put on the green beans and totally forgot about it. It was the color of the green beans. So thank you all for participating. Thank you all for sharing. And also to the person again was say, I feel like I come and still didn't get to go back to the computer. But I'll shout you out in another vlog or video. I want to say thank you. I feel that way too. That's how I want you all to feel. Feel like say, me I am a friend, me I am a sister, I come. Just don't treat it as the regular YouTube vlog. Don't treat these as regular YouTube vlog. Just treat them as me and a party. We are, you know, we are roll together. That means to say if me I talk to you and say look a dirty plate in our background, you know it's a real thing. You look on your sister dirty plate them. Never let the evil around you. Never let it take control of you. Stay on top of things. Hungry for them.